Okay, so let's assume we're going for a pay run, okay? Maybe a weekly, fortnightly, or a monthly pay run, and we want to run the pay for that particular period. So how can we do that? You just need to go to the payroll. There is an option to pay employees. Click this option. Now we have a kind of pay run already available, prepared for us. Weekly ending 10th of November 2022, and obviously this has also been calculated automatically because we haven't put all the data into the settings, as I told you guys before. And when we get into this is a draft pay run. Here you can see gross earnings are these, employer NIC is this, employer pension is this, reimbursements are these, and total cost is this. And during this period, it's only Jack Allen who is going to be paid. And once we see the options, we have different options available. For example, if you want to see the pay slip, you can see that. You want to see the payroll activity detail report, you want to see the payroll activity summary report. If you want to download a P32 or maybe download a bank payment file, you can use this option and utilize each and every option available over here. Let's assume we want to see the pay slip. This will create a pay slip. We have not added kind of a logo of a company, otherwise there would have been a logo as well. So now this is a pay slip with all the details for Mr. Jack Allen, right? In the same manner, you can utilize all these options available here as per the need, right? I click, and obviously if you want to add a memo, you can add a memo as well, which will appear on the pay slip of the employee as well. Click post. So when it is posting, there's a transaction, so it will give you a pop-up message, confirm pay run, and it will ask you to provide the reason why you have not been able to meet the on or before obligation, and you can select any option you want and you can just complete the pay run. And obviously it will ask you that the amount will be posted to HMRC, right? So now, pay run successfully processed. Pay runs are not paid automatically. It's your responsibility to pay employees through your preferred payment method, right? Now, what happens is employees assessed as eligible job holders have been enrolled into your pension scheme. Next steps to complete your duties, and then notify employees of their enrollment status. If you are completing re-enrollment or are a new employer, you'll also need to submit a declaration of compliance. The following employees have been enrolled in this pay run, and like everything is automatic. A single click, you just have to input the data and everything will be done on your behalf, right? So now, after posting it, you do have an option to revert the pay run. You do have the option to go back, but here the options have been changed. Now, email payslip, download payslip, other options are almost the same. Okay, so now this is how you run your payroll or pay run is generally ran. Okay, now one very important thing, the timesheets. If I go into payroll and timesheets, and obviously in Xero, as you know, you can provide access to your employees as well. So for example, if you have provided the access to your employees, and your employees will be able to create the timesheets within the system. For example, here Chelsea has 0 number of hours input into this, but obviously if she would have entered number of hours, then you would have received the data that these are the number of hours on the basis of day-to-day performance, and then you would have an option to approve or delete the timesheet, right? So this is how it works for employees as a whole, right? Now there are a few other options to file your pension, to file the RTI filings and taxes and filings. Now, this is all being done and created for you within the payroll management system, right? So I believe and I hope that this payroll module helps you in understanding and easily processing your payrolls into your kind of an accounting system. And obviously I believe this is a very easy and very sweet kind of a process, which really helps you do things very quickly without getting into any kind of trouble. So I hope this helps you.